Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. In today's video, I'm going to be just doing a quick run through on some Christmas things like last minute Christmas hacks and last minute Christmas gifts. Just quick and easy ways where you may not have to run back to Walmart or whatever your local store, your Target or whatever, or even your Dollar Tree, because right now they're all crazy, right? So here are a few hacks that might make your holiday crunch season a little bit smoother, a little bit easier on your noggin. So for my first Christmas hack, it is the infamous box ordeal. Okay, we've all had the issue where you end up with one bottom to your gift box. Like I actually brought two of them. I bought 2 packs of these boxes at Dollar Tree the other day, and they have 3 in a pack, and they're really pretty boxes. So super good deal. There's those 3 I bought and these 3. So really cute boxes, perfect for shirts, pants, anything you'd want to put in them really. But if you are like me, and I would say a lot of people are like this, you end up with this. Like say the kids like rip one when they're opening it and you just have the bottom. Don't toss it, okay? I'm going to show you what I have seen, and I think maybe a lot of us have seen it, I'm not sure. But I think it's like one of those deals where everybody's been trying it, and I didn't really see how to do it, but I just saw what was done, and then I just grabbed one and I figured it out real quick. So super easy peasy. You turn this into a box this size. So let me grab my scissors and we will get to it. All right. So what you will need to do is take your box and with all the sides folded down, all 4 corners folded down, you're starting with a flat box, right? You want to fold this top, just curl it down until this piece right here lines up with that right there, okay? And then we're going to push it down and make a crease right across there to where now that piece is right on top of that, okay? Then you're going to do the same thing the other way. Unfold it, curl it down to where it is now right there, and you're just doing the same thing with the other side. So no magic tricks. You just fold one side down to where this piece lines up here, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So then when you open it, you have those 2 creases right here and here. So now what you do is you open your box and you're just going to cut. You do not cut this front panel. Do not cut that. You're only going to cut right here and here on the crease. And then you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing right there and there on the crease. So let's see if I can do this and still let you see. So you fold it, cut it there and there. Then go to the other side and there and there. Super easy, right? Put my scissors away. So now all you do is we'll use this as our bottom, and these 2 little flaps that you've created need to go to the inside, and then your top It's easier when you're not trying to hold it out in thin air. So your two little flaps go to the inside, but then this top piece will go to the outside of all pieces. Okay, so your bottom's in the middle. Get that out there, okay? Way easier. There we go. And I will try to leave a clip at the end of me doing this on my craft table, because I tell you, it is a whole lot easier to do when you're not trying to hold it out in midair. So, you just open the bottom, put your two little flappy pieces, they go on the inside. And then once they're on the inside, this top part, the whole thing goes to the outside. And there you have a half-size box. And I will show that at the end, but you end up with half a box. And I thought this one turned out really cute because it was the top. This is actually the bottom, and this is the top. I just used this for a demonstration, but I thought this looked super cute by itself. It didn't have to just be the white one. I mean, it can, and then you can wrap the box, or you could use a top that has not been damaged, and it's just got the wraparound picture, and I think it was super cute. Let's see, what does it say? Special delivery, North Pole, with the reindeer stamp. And then, so on the back side, it says, approved, Big Santa approved, North Pole, December 25, express mail, do not open before December 25. So I thought these boxes were super cute, which, oh, they're scissors, which leads me to the next part, okay? So there is that box all together in one piece. So this pack is super cute. It's got the Merry and Bright, which I love, but this one also could be a cute wraparound one. Any of them really could be. What is the other one? I didn't even, one of these days I will remember to bring my glasses. It's Buffalo Check. I think it just says Merry Christmas. I'm not positive. But then in this pack, there's the Santa Claus shirt with his buckle and his bell buttons. But then I got this pack for this one. I absolutely loved this picture. I thought this could be Mod Podged onto a sign, or you could just cut the truck out and put it in a picture frame. I know a lot of people have been doing picture frames. And the third one, I can't remember what it says. It may just say Happy Holidays. It's a lighter colored one. But super cute. Like 3 boxes for $1. And to look that good, you're not going to find them that cheap many other places, I promise. And with the way Dollar Tree is going, you might not be able to find them that cheap before long there. So get them while you can. If they still have them when you go in, stock up for next year. That's what I do. Like, I'll be hitting Walmart and clearing them out of their wrapping paper to where I do not have to pay full price next year. So, next hack, these Dollar Tree pillar candles. You can do so many things with these. You can paint them. You can turn them into snowmen. I'll show a few pictures at the end of different ideas and different things I've done with these. I painted one and made it look like candy corn. I did one into a snowman. I've put window clings on them. So you could just stick a window cling on here and leave it on there for just Christmas time and then peel it off, and then bam, you have your white candle back. So you can just do window clings and do that year round. Or another thing I have done is I have melted them down quite a few times and put them into other containers, such as I'll use the scented oils. I'll melt these down, use scented oils, and pour them into either a mug or a little pitcher, or for fall, I did the little pumpkin trinket dishes. So for Christmas, I'm doing the coffee mugs. I'm actually going to be doing these today. The kids and my husband are going to be leaving later, so I have the house to myself. So I'm going to get all wild and do candles. So I have these 2 that I'm going to be doing for candles. And I do have some of the scented oils. And these are really good for that person on your list that you don't You may not know the greatest, like we may not be close enough that I know what you like and all kinds of good stuff, but maybe somebody from work or somebody from church or just someone that you want to show them, hey, I'm thinking of you, but you don't really know them well enough to go pick out a personalized gift. These are really cute, and for, we'll say $4, because I use 2 things of the scented oils from Dollar Tree and this Dollar Tree candle, and then I put it in this. So 2 things of oil, this guy, and this, $4 for a candle. And it's personalized, and you made it yourself. So then just put like a cellophane bag around it, or just give it the way it is, or wrap it in a box, however you want to do it. But I will do the candles today. I know I've been promising, but I'm going to do it today. And then I will also show a couple different ways to wrap them. So stick around for that at the end. Okay? Now, here's another way you could personalize a ornament. I know there's so many different ways to personalize ornaments. They have the clear ornaments. They have, oh my gosh, Dollar Tree has so many ornaments. I have picked up the bells, the ballerinas, the reindeer, the clear ones. I've made my own ornaments out of the white. They have the clear ones that they had last year. Well, this year they have the same size and shape, but they're just like solid white. So you can paint those as snowmen or just make them into whatever you want. They also have these. These are not new. I know they had them last year, but I don't know how long Dollar Tree's had these. But I am actually going to take all of this stuff off and use the Dollar Tree vinyl. Now, this vinyl says it's permanent. I wouldn't take that to the bank, okay? I clear this off. I will still use a glue stick on this and then stick vinyl to it. And then after I sand off the edges, I will Mod Podge over it, because I do not want to play around with how permanent this vinyl is, because it is $1 for 2 foot of vinyl, right? And this guy, see how easy it peels off? That metal piece already came off, and I would have peeled him off anyway, and then I'm going to put him back on when I'm done. But then this stuff, this burlap, bam, the whole thing just peeled right off. Now all I do is take a little fine sandpaper, clean it off, and then it will be ready to glue some vinyl of whatever you choose. If you cannot get a hold of the vinyl, or all you have is expensive vinyl, don't use expensive vinyl. Just get like cardstock paper. You can get that for like 50 cents at Hobby Lobby or Walmart or anywhere. So a way to personalize it would be to put either vinyl or paper on it. And then there are also the letter ornaments they have at Dollar Tree. So say I cleared this all off, I put the vinyl or the paper on it, Mod Podge over it, and then hot glue like the letter S on the front. And then there's a little personalized ornament for, again, that person that you may not know well enough to get too personal about their gift, but you could still get them something a little, hey, I'm thinking of you, Merry Christmas kind of gift. So there are a lot of different hacks and tricks of different gifts you can do from Dollar Tree. And I will link a few of my gift basket videos below. But if you have any ideas of how to turn a Dollar Tree something simple like a candle into a wow Christmas gift, let me know. And I am going to keep looking. I keep my eyes on Pinterest. I watch videos. I look everywhere for inspiration. I'm no different. This stuff doesn't just pop into my head. Some of it does, don't get me wrong, but a lot of times I will like watch a video and then something will click that will inspire me. So I hope I was able to do that for you here today. And if you like this video right now, hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Merry Christmas, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So here we have the simplest way I have found to make these nice little Dollar Tree candles a little bit more festive. I found these window clings at Dollar General. I know that Dollar Tree has some, but I really love these snowmen in the red trucks. And then I found these fall gnomes on clearance a couple weeks ago, so I had to have some of those for next year. So I thought that made those look so much cuter. Now here is the trick I was trying to show you with the box. You fold it on both sides, and then you just make these 2 cuts down the middle, and then the little tabs in the middle will go to the inside, and then you fold the top over the entire structure. Now here I have the ornament, and I am just going to be covering that with some of the Dollar Tree's sticker vinyl, and then adding the embellishments back on. But when I do put the vinyl on, I use a glue stick as well as the adhesive that's already on the vinyl, just because I know it says it's permanent, but I don't necessarily trust how permanent it truly is. So I put the glue on, and then I stick the vinyl on, and I use sandpaper around the edges to get any loose pieces. That way it won't peel away. And then put the embellishments back on, and that is all there is to that one. Now for our mug candles. These are super easy. You just need the white pillar candles, some of this oil scent, and each candle will take 2 bottles of the oil scent. You need to transfer the wick out of the candle into the mug and then pour the wax in. And I do put the scent in while the candle is still in the pot. That way it mixes when I pour it. Easy peasy. I will link the video below where I show it in more depth. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.